Hello everyone, welcome back to Pirate Sparrow Slots. I want to wish you all a very happy holiday and Merry Christmas everyone. I love this time of year, it's so festive, it's so much fun. And speaking of fun, the last time I showed you a Lightning Link video, I had hit a jackpot. And it's always fun when you can hit a jackpot. Doesn't happen every time you go to play, of course, but when they happen, it's so special, and we love sharing that with you. I'm going to share another exciting jackpot on Lightning Link Best Bet. You could say I love to go to the races, the ponies. They're exciting, they're fast, and you know what I love about dreams? When you dream, you can put anything in your dream, like a polar bear hanging out at a hot chocolate cart. See what I did there? All right. Well, in my dreams for a very long time, I have wanted to attain hitting a minor on a high limit play on Lightning Link. I am happy to tell you I finally manifested that dream, and you are going to witness it in this video. If you're new here, make sure you turn on the bell, subscribe, and leave us a comment, guys. And make sure, if you missed the first video, I'm going to leave a link in the description below, and you can catch up there. And I'm going to give you a little refresher course at the beginning of this episode of Lightning Link Best Bet. High limit session with Pirate Sparrow Slots. All right, let's get inside. And I think I'm going to need to go grab a coat. It's really cold out here. Let's go.
Oh my gosh, Pinky Pirates, my god. Okay, we got a mini for 500. We're at a handbag. We did it. Hydro, we did it. Get up there. We're at a handbag. Get up there, buddy. We're going to spin. What more can we do? Let's get into some more excitement. How about a minor? That would be exciting. Okay. Drop them. Pirates never had either of those. Let's go. Come on. Save it. One more time. Oh, yes. Thank you. Oh. One more chance. Yes. Woo! Looking good. And again. Up. All right, Pirate got a $500 mini. All right, let's do this. Yes, it's beautiful. Okay, $800. That is beautiful. Thumbs up, everybody. Best Bet and Pirate Sparrow Slots. It was looking pretty bleak there for a while, and what a comeback this is. I think we are into handshake territory. Helped a lot.
Hey, you still got spins today.
Yeah, I know. It's crazy. And we're in a handbag. Okay, 16-10. Look at that. Jack Rich. Two more? Oh, I would have fainted. Okay. That's beautiful. Oh, last spin. Okay, well, I'm not going to argue with that. I'm pretty excited. Very beautiful hand pay. 16.30, 50. Hope you enjoyed it. That is beautiful. Is it going to give it to me? Yeah, there it goes. Okay. Yay! Call attendant. It says to call the attendant. Let's get that. There it is, right there. All right. They should be coming soon for the hand pay. You guys leave us a comment. Hi everybody, we are ready for a little bit of horse racing. Pirate Sparrow Slots, you've got Pirate on the controls, Captain Crunch in the cheering squad section, and we have got the dynamic duo Damn It Doll, which we hope we don't need a lot of, and Patrol the Man. Alright, are you guys ready? Let's go up and look at what we're looking at. Look at that gram, my God. Woo! Everybody's got, woo! That is awesome. Alright, so we're on 25 and we're going to take a lucky spin. 6 cups right there would have been fantastic. Okay, 2. Nothing. 2, 4, 6. No. Alright. 1 more for luck. No luck there. Alright, go ahead and change it, friends. The only thing we racked up there were some points. Okay, let's start, yes. Let's think positive and go backwards. Okay, we're on 1250. We need 3 of those horseshoes. And 6 cups, which would be welcome, of course. Okay. Oh yeah, we were going to try that on these. I forgot about that. We'll do this first. We got some tickets with the lady. The lady. Oh, no bonus for us there. Alright, now we're going to that silly old dime. Famous $5 bet, some people would say. Go to the... One more. It was in the top. Damn it, damn it, damn it. We've already had him out for the party. Little bit of horsepower. Okay, 480 worth of horsepower. That button was sticky, buddy. Oh, we have some horsepower. Yeah, horsepower. $36. And a tease right there. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Right. Go to the 50 cent. And let's try that. We're going to do one here and see what happens. Oh. Okay, nothing. So we'll go down while we're there. Yes. Pinky Pirates, and we have a $500 mini on the board. I would say that's awesome. Patrol, what do you think? Are you ready? Are you ready to ride and win some trophies? He's ready. Hashtag Patrol. Alright, let's do this. Drop the cups. Cup, cup, cup. Oh no, come on. Come on. Best bet. Drop a cup, drop a cup, drop a cup. No! Oh my gosh. Okay, well, it was short and sweet. Alright, we got that $500 cup on the board. So we have $800. Do 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 do. Don't hit me now. I like to sing. Do 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 do. I like your hat. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Come on, win, win, win. Do, 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 do. Is that my first 500 win? That was awesome. Would have liked a little more to go with that. Alright, here we go. That looks pretty sweet. Yeah. And then I'm going to do that 25 too when I'm on it. Okay, here we go. Come on, horseshoes. Oh, damn it, damn it, damn it. 2 out of 3. Oh, 3 more. Well, go to the dog. $25. Come on, horseshoes. That would be fun. Come on. Okay, okay. Go to the dollar. We're going to take lucky 25. Come on. Oh, 2 out of 3. Come on, let's get a bonus. $1. Where's the other 3? Damn it, damn it, damn it. They didn't show up. That button is so sticky. Okay, $3. Looking for more than that. We got blocked by a horseshoe. Okay. $84. Respectable. Horseshoes? No. Damn it, damn it, damn it.
One more time, it'll load.
That's pretty quiet. $18. Where are my horseshoes? Go to the well, okay. That'll work. Come on, 246. 2 more. Oh, that was definitely Cameron. Come on. Yes. Pinky Pirates, that bonus, $25. Let's go. Miners are 5,000. Let's just go look at it. Why not? There we go. See that beauty up there? That's what we're looking at. Okay.
Right.
Ready, Patrol? Let's get some cubs. Let's go to the races. Yes. Race, race. Yes. Come on. Do it, do it, do it. Pop, pop, pop. Let's go. Come on. More, please. Oh, it ended our party. Leave a comment and share us with your friends if you would be so kind. That was $3.50, guys. We're gonna see if there's anything behind it. How about some horseshoes? That would be cool. Okay, wasn't talking. Let's see what I'm on. I'm gonna do this and the other one. Come on, horsey. Come on, horsey.
We can see.
Yeah, come on. Want to see those horseshoes too. This horse recently had an eye treatment and he says he sees better through those binoculars. Oh no, we missed it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Okay, let's do that. Oh, 3. Okay. Oh, look at that. What a tease. Teaser, no pleaser on that one. Okay. 50 cents. That's where the last magic happened. Come on. 3 of them halfway there. Huh. Wow. Oh, look at the horsies come out to play. May I have a little sip of water, honey? Please. Do-do-do. Thank you. Thirsty work going for that miner. Wow, this is a good one. 180. I forgot. I mean, was that my second spin? Do you remember? Me neither. We'll take one more. Alright. Gone somewhere else to test drive.
10 and 15.
Yeah. Come on, one more. Yes! Pinky Pirates on that horseshoe bonus. All the luck. All the luck. Let's do it. Here we go. A good day at the races, Patrol. See what we can get here. Let's get a miner on the board for 500. Okay, Uno. 2, 2, I'll tell you, the binoculars have it.
I see that.
Re-trigger maybe? Oh, so close. Come on. Oh, we missed it by 1. 3 more. Uh-oh. He's playing with my affections. Don't be that way. Wow. Are you serious? That was terrible. That was terrible. I don't even want to back up on that. It's terrible. Gee. I hated it. That was awful. There was nothing fun about that. Terrible moments. It had to happen right here, huh? Horsies and kings. $30. That was better than the bonus. Come on. $12.50. Alright, let me get my foot where I can relax it. The day at the races. Come on. Bonus time. Let's go. $5. Not yet. Okay. Whew. Oh. And we got Wonder Bread Jack Ridge. Okay. It said no. Come on. One more. No. Damn it. Three more. Oh, what? What?
No.
What? That was so close. The horsey. $36. Alright everybody, we are back at it on Best Bet. $12.50. Binoculars again, that is the theme. $15. Change the bet. it, damn it, damn it, damn it. So close. Yes, yes. We have a 2,500 miner on that board. Wow, what a beauty that is.
And a 500.
Oh my gosh. Let me catch my heart a minute. That was awesome. I finally got a miner on this game. Finally. Let's go. Let's see what else we can get. Don't stop just because it looks good. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes. Why don't you just fill it in while I'm here? That would be amazing. One more chance to save it. Not even mad at it. Bum, 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 because that's 3,000 right there. Let him get up there and win. This is awesome. Here we go, guys. Look at this beauty. Ooh! Oh my gosh, that's money coming. Sparrow Slots, be sure to thumbs up, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'm happy. I've been waiting a long time to get one of these. Bum 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 bum. That filled in a few more squares. Woo! Bum 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 bum. Yay! Yay! He's so happy. Oh, that's beautiful. One more look at that, guys. Yes. Da 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 da. I love the ponies. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Dun da 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 da. Ah, how beautiful is that? Why is it not? Oh, there it is. Okay. Let me show that. Hold on. We're going to come down. Call attendant. All right, guys. We will be right back.